Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can annotate your slides in Jamworks. Firstly, open the desktop application and start a recording. Once your recording has started, select the Write Notes tab in the top right-hand corner and navigate to Slide Notes. Here, you can upload a PDF slide deck. Your slides will now be uploaded into the Slide Notes tab. Here, select the three dots in the top right-hand corner and select Annotate Slides. This will bring up the annotation toolbar. Here, you can add text, you can draw, and you can use shapes to annotate your lecture slides. Once you are finished annotating, select the tick box in the right-hand corner, and that will save your annotations. You can navigate through your slides and annotate any of them that you like. Once your class is finished, select the End Recording button. Your recording will now be uploaded into your Jamworks account along with your slides and your slide annotations. Once your recording has uploaded, find it on the Recordings page and navigate to the Slide tab. From here, you will see that your slides along with your annotations have appeared. You can continue to edit or add to your annotations by selecting the three dots in the top right-hand corner, selecting Annotate Slides, and it will again open the annotation toolbar. Here, you can edit your existing annotations, or you can make new ones. Ensure that you again select the tick box to save your annotations. And that is how you can annotate your slides in class and after class in Jamworks.